Good afternoon, guys. How's it going? I just thought I'd get on here and share with you my new baker's rack that I put together and am filling with all of our gluten-free ingredients to start our new journey through. Well, it's not a new journey of gluten-free, but it's a new journey of baking more from scratch with gluten-free items. So I wanted to get a separate cabinet to put all our supplies in, and I thought I would take you along as I decorate it. Let's go do it. Okay guys, here's a quick look at the cabinet that I purchased. I really like it. It's got some electrical outlets there in the back, and that top door, it slides back and forth, side to side, I guess I should say. And I picked it up on Amazon. I'll put it below. I'll put the link below in case you're interested in it. It's pretty easy to put together. It's a little lightweight but sturdy enough to hold all the things. Okay, so let's get to decorating. These two items are things that I picked up a few years back at, where did I get those? Hobby Lobby, I believe. And the picks, the flowers inside are picks also from Hobby Lobby. Here I'm just putting in some bread proofing baskets and a little plate. It seems as every time someone comes in through my laundry room back door there and they just set their keys on there, and I don't want to scratch the tabletop. So I went ahead and put a little tray there so maybe people would put their keys and things on there. I also picked up those two cute decorative pieces. The one is actually a recipe box. I need to get some really cute recipe cards and start handwriting the recipes and putting them in there. I got that as a gift from Amazon is where it was purchased from. Anything that I got that I can link, I will go ahead and link below, including this cute little ladder, this hanging ladder here. I got that with the intention of putting my, see right there, I'm like, I don't like it because I put it on the side and then the whole thing rotated. So I'm trying to decide if I like it, and I didn't, because I didn't like it sliding back and forth. I hung a towel there, and I know it looks kind of bare, so I don't know. What do you think? What do you think would look cute hanging on the top too? I can't decide. I need to go out and do a little bit of maybe Pinterest. Pinterest research would do good. Here I'm putting a safety pin, not a safety pin. What is that called? Paper clip. A large paper clip down to keep that rolling pin, which is super heavy. I believe it's solid marble. I got that from my great aunt, and I don't want it rolling off and breaking. So I put that paper clip in front of it to keep it from rolling. Here I'm just going through and showing you a quick little review of what I put in there. And this is from the Pioneer Woman. I believe I picked that up at Walmart. I've had that for several years now. And I just thought it added a nice little pop of color. And everything else is pretty neutral toned, which I like, but I'm excited to decorate this also for fall and Christmas. Should be lots of fun. Has a nice drawer with all my tools for baking bread and dusting powdered sugar. Have some scoops and my instant yeast packets there. And then down here I need to break out my Cricut or my Silhouette, and I need to print some stickers, some vinyl stickers for these. But here's a quick little view of what I have below. It's just on some blue painter's tape and black Sharpie. Keeping it simple, keeping it real. And that's really it. That is the full decorate with me for this cute little baker's cabinet. I'm looking forward to baking and learning how to bake well with gluten-free products. I don't know if you've ever done that, but it really can be a chore. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Decorate with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.